In this video, I'll guide you through how to disconnect from Google Drive in OneDrive. If you've previously linked your Google Drive so that OneDrive can import files or photos, but you don't need that connection anymore, I'll walk you through the exact steps to safely remove it. Let's start inside OneDrive. First, you'll want to open your OneDrive settings. If you're on the desktop app, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray or menu bar. Click that icon and then look for an option labeled Settings. On the web, sign into your OneDrive, then look toward the top right area of the page for a settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Click that and you should see a link or menu item that mentions OneDrive settings. Go ahead and open that now. Once you're in the OneDrive settings area, your goal is to find the section that controls connections to other cloud services. Look for something labeled Import Cloud Photos and Files or something very close to that. This is the area where OneDrive manages links to other storage accounts like Google Drive. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place because this is where you'll see which services are currently connected. Within this Import Cloud Photos and Files section, you should see a list of cloud accounts that are linked to OneDrive. What you're looking for specifically is the Google Drive connection. It might show the Google Drive logo, the name Google Drive, or a short description indicating that files or photos are being imported from Google's cloud storage. Scan through the list carefully if you have more than one service connected. After you've located the Google Drive entry, you're ready to disconnect it. Next to the Google Drive connection, there should be a button or link that says disconnect or remove. The exact wording can vary slightly, but the meaning is the same. It's the control that breaks the link between OneDrive and your Google Drive account. When you're sure you've selected the correct service, click that disconnect or remove option. As a safety step, OneDrive will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to do this. This confirmation is important because disconnecting means OneDrive will no longer be able to import new files or photos from your Google Drive. When the confirmation prompt appears, read the message so you understand what will happen. In most cases, previously imported files that are already in OneDrive will stay there, but no new content will come over from Google Drive after you disconnect. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead and confirm the action. Click the confirm yes or OK button, depending on what you see. After a moment, the Google Drive connection should disappear from the list in the Import Cloud Photos and Files section, indicating that it has been successfully removed. And that's it. You've now disconnected Google Drive from OneDrive. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same settings area and reconnect Google Drive in the future.